Hey, it's Misa with OCDetailing, and today we have a super exciting project. So we're actually working on Kirk's Lamborghini Huracan. So this is going to be getting a full color changing wrap. We're going to be using ULTRAFIT's XP Aurora Magenta. So that's got a really cool sheen to it, and it's also going to go from purple, magenta, blue, green, everything you can imagine. It's going to be a really cool look, and we're going to contrast that with some carbon fiber accents. So we're going to be using ULTRAFIT's XP carbon fiber for that. That's going to go on the roof, the rockers, side mirrors, and a front bumper accent as well. And our friend Miguel at Midnight Garage is going to be doing some custom painted calipers to match the film. So this is going to be a totally custom look, probably the first Lamborghini to be this color and have all of these accents. So we're really excited to see how it turns out, and we can't wait for you to see too. And today we have the finished project of this Lamborghini. So this was for our customer Kirk, and he's been very patient because we had to do a lot of work on this, but it's finally done and he's about to be here, so let's go over it super quick. So we did ULTRAFIT XP Aurora Magenta on the entire vehicle here. Now this film takes color shifting to its max. This basically is going to have every hue in the rainbow, everything you can imagine. We're going from nice reds and orange and warm colors all the way to blues and purples, and those cooler colors. It's super cool. Kind of looks different every angle that you look at it, so that's super awesome. And we try to balance that out with doing some of ULTRAFIT's XP carbon fiber for some really cool accents. So we've got a carbon fiber roof as well as the rockers. We did the spoiler back there and the side mirrors too, and we even have an accent on the front bumper. So that's looking really cool, really ties it together. And we actually also worked with our friend Miguel at Midnight Garage, and Miguel worked really hard to get a custom color for the brake calipers to try and match the film. So we have a really cool sparkly, kind of like an icy blue sort of color, and it really plays well against the color shifting wrap. So it came out really cool, and we know our customer is going to love it. Can't wait for Kirk to see it. And yeah, if you've got a project and you're looking to do something like this, swing on by and we'll take care of you.